Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is super important, cleaning up your credit report. We all know bad credit can be a major drag, stopping you from getting that sweet apartment, dream car, or even the best interest rates on loans. But fear not, there's a way to fight back, legally. Let's ditch the sketchy tactics and learn the three-step process to remove inaccurate information with the help of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, your financial superhero. Imagine your credit report as your financial report card. It shows lenders how responsible you are with money. Errors on this report, like wrong balances or accounts you don't recognize, can seriously tank your score. Think of it like getting a bad grade that doesn't reflect your true effort. That's why cleaning things up is crucial. A good score unlocks a world of financial benefits, lower interest rates, better loan options, even cheaper insurance premiums. It's like getting an A+ that opens doors to awesome financial opportunities. All right, let's get down to business. We'll use 3 key tools to challenge those inaccurate items. This is your first line of defense. Think of it like pointing out a mistake on a test. You're directly challenging the accuracy of an item on your report. Be specific. Explain why it's wrong and include any proof you have, like receipts or canceled checks. This is like showing your work on the test to prove your answer is correct. This one's a bit different. Imagine calling the teacher's bluff on a wrong grade. You're asking the credit bureau to prove the information is accurate by contacting the original creditor. If they can't verify it within 30 to 45 days, boom, it's gone. Think of this as forcing them to show you their grading rubric to prove the grade is fair. Ever get harassed by debt collectors for a debt you don't recognize? This is your shield. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA, lets you demand proof you actually owe the money. Imagine asking the collectors to show their homework. They have 5 days to send you a validation notice with details. Perfect ammo for disputing if you don't owe it. Think of this letter as proof you never signed up for that extra math class. Here's a crucial detail often overlooked. Sending these letters certified mail. It's like sending your dispute with a tracking number. Why is this important? It shows you're serious and have proof the credit bureau received your challenge. They can't claim they never saw it and ignore your request. By using these 3 steps and sending them certified mail, you can fight inaccurate information and improve your credit score. Remember, this takes time and effort, so be patient. We've included resources in the description below to help you get started, including the CFPB website and dispute letter templates. So you've got everything you need to fight for an accurate credit report, your financial report card. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more personal finance tips. If you have any questions about fixing your credit report, leave a comment below and we'll try our best to help.